Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I am Sibukatullah and you are watching Info and Study Point. First of all, let us discuss perimeter. In simple words, perimeter is the total distance around a closed shape. Let us consider we are standing at a point and we start walking on a track like this and come back at the same starting point. The distance which we covered is the perimeter. Let us talk about the perimeter of triangle. Guys, you know there are three types of triangles with respect to sides. First one is equilateral triangle. All the sides of this triangle are equal in length. If one of its side is A, then remaining both sides will also be A. Second type is isosceles triangle. In this triangle, any two of its sides are equal in length. If one side is A, then the second side will also be A, but the third one will be different, that is B. Third type is scalene triangle. In this triangle, all sides are of different lengths. Let us say if one side is A, then the second will be B and third will be C. Now if we calculate the perimeter of equilateral triangle, then the perimeter will be equal to A plus A plus A, that is 3 times A. If we talk about the isosceles triangle, then the perimeter is equal to A plus B, that is 2 times A plus B. And the most simple is the perimeter of the scalene triangle, that is A plus B plus C. Now let us talk about the quadrilaterals. The first one is square. The area of square will L square if L is the length of the square, and the perimeter will be 4 times L. Now let us solve an example in which length of the square is 3. As discussed earlier, area of square is L square, mean we have to take the square of length for the area of the square. So area is equal to 3 square, that is 9. And perimeter will be equals to 4 times 3, that is 12 units. In case of rectangle, area equals to L times B. And if we want to find the perimeter of rectangle, we will add the sides of rectangle so that L plus B plus L plus B, that is 2 times L plus 2 times B. Taking 2 as common, we have 2 times L plus B. Let us see an example. Consider a rectangle whose breadth is 3 units and length is 5 units. The area will be equal to 5 times 3, that is 15 square units, and the perimeter will be 2 times 5 plus 3, that is 2 times 8, and this is equal to 16 units. Next quadrilateral is rhombus. Like square, perimeter of rhombus is 4 times L because all of its sides are equal in length. But for area, there are 3 formulas. If length and height is given, then area is equal to length times height. And if diagonals are given, then area will be 1/2 times of d1 times d2. And if one side and one angle is given, then area will be equals to L square sine of theta. Now have a look at an example. Consider a rhombus whose sides is 3 units and one angle is 100 degree. Then area is equal to L square sine of theta. Substituting the values, we have 3 square sine of 100. 3 square is equal to 9 and sine 100 gives 0.9848. Now 9 times 0.9848 gives 8.8632 square units. Square units means if length is in meters, then meter squares. If length is in centimeter, then centimeter square. So the remaining types of quadrilaterals will be discussed in the next video. Subscribe our channel for such more videos and also press the bell icon. You can give suggestions and ask any question about this video in this comment section. Thanks for watching.